We got a double rainbow over the canoe this morning. How about that, folks? Canoe, canoe. It's getting windy. But I'm getting stuff done under here. The shelter's not holding up too well, but I am. Anyway, still opening up and finding the edges and evening this bottom, and well, she's got a lot of room now. She's looking good. Canoe, canoe. Well, I've pretty much given up on the idea of a shelter being useful out here. At least the sun's out now. Time to break out the score as the structure falls in on me. This is a very questionable structure I have out here. Well, the weather continues to be a problem. The wind's kicking in, it's getting into incredibly bad gusts, like 50, 60 miles an hour. And I'm seeing it. Rain's coming in. This shelter's just not going to work. So I've got to quit again. I was making good progress today, and I didn't even do a walkthrough or a virtual tour before we got her done. You'll see tomorrow. We did good.